Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I'm starting dinner and I'm bringing you along with me. We're cooking outside on the Blackstone tonight and we're having fish, shrimp. I've got potatoes, semi-twice baked, hush puppies, and it's going to be good. But let's get started first. I want to get my little hush puppies going. So right here on this side of the grill, I'm going to lay down some oil. Yeah, this is going to be so good and easy. And I've got some cornmeal mix. Y'all seen me make my cornbread before. I just make it a little thicker. Now this time I added some jalapenos. Well, actually these are jalapenos because they don't have any heat. And they're hard to find, but you can add jalapenos. And I'm just going to lay these down here. They're going to be a little bit thin, but that's okay. I don't want a big, thick hush puppy. Semi-hush puppy, right? Have you ever heard the story of how they're called hush puppies, why they're called hush puppies? This is what I've been told. Back in the day, when the guys were working the fields and such, they would be out cooking their lunch, and the dogs would get to barking and carrying on. And as they cooked the bread, they'd throw them a little piece and say, "Hush, puppy, hush." I thought it was cute. Anyway, we're going to let those cook right there. Now, right here beside them, I'm going to put down some butter. Y'all know there's going to be butter. And we're going to do our potatoes in this butter. Just lay it down right here and let it melt. And as it starts melting, we're going to put these potatoes down on cut side down. I just cut the top off. I baked some little small potatoes, cut the top off, and we're going to lay them right there on that butter. That's simple. Now, next, might need to turn that side up a little bit so we can get those hush puppies going. Okay, so on this side, we have some fish. This is some redfish that Pop and Brandon caught, if y'all remember, when they went fishing down in Delacroix, Louisiana. Brandon's getting ready to go back, so maybe he'll bring me some more fish. We're getting low now. And on this, I want to add some Tony Chachere's. Y'all, to me, it's the best. And I've got it, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to sprinkle it, and I am going to lightly coat it in this cornmeal. I don't want a heavy cornmeal batter on it. Now, lightly. And I'm going to put down some oil. Don't need a whole lot. Don't take fish long to cook. In fact, this fish will probably get done before the hush puppies do. All right, let's lay it down here. I'm just lightly running it through this cornmeal. You can use plain cornmeal. You can use self-rising. This is the buttermilk cornmeal mix. That's what I use to make the hush puppies. So since I'm outside, I don't have a faucet to wash my hands, so I brought me out a washcloth. This is going to be good. Let's turn our hush puppies. They look like they're ready to turn. Where did I put my spatulas? Oh, Pop's getting me some spatulas. We didn't bring it out. I thought we did. Y'all, these potatoes are looking good. Ah, these are going to be perfect. All right, let me have a set of those spatulas, sweetie. I thought we had brought them out here. Okay, that's okay. Looky here. Y'all, I don't know if you can see over here or not, but that is looking beautiful. Let's get some more going over here. Because with a little bit of butter, we'll eat all of these. All right. The neighbors are going to be coming and visiting with us, Pop.
Yep.
Goodness gracious. Yeah, the second side cooks quicker than the first. These are ready to come up. That's smelling so good. Tongs. Pop got me tongs. Looky here. Can y'all see that potato? Looky there. That is what you want. I'm just going to turn them on the other side for just a minute. And just get that a little toasted. Let's see what this fish looks like. I'm going to have my tongs to pick it up, y'all. I don't want to flip it out. Oh, it's looking so good. I think it needs a little oil. I don't want it to get dry. Y'all, if y'all do this fish like this, you can do catfish, you can do whatever your choice of fish. And, man, it always comes out so good when I do it like that. It's not a deep fried. I didn't want it deep fried. And I set out one day, I thought, how am I going to do it? I don't want it deep fried. And so I just slightly cornmealed it and put it in the pan. You can put it in the ovens. Most of the time I'll melt butter in my pan and put it in the oven. It's that simple, y'all. I might need these again. My goodness gracious. Yeah, it's like baking out here. These are coming out so pretty. Yeah, we have had the most beautiful day today. The temperature reached around 80, give or take. And so it was just a beautiful day. We have spent most of the day outside, and we have totally enjoyed it. Our oldest son, Chris, texted me last night, late yesterday afternoon, and said, look up west and you can see the satellites, and tell me what time. So we sat out on our front porch watching for satellites. We saw 3 satellites and a shooting star. It was so beautiful to see. And I really thoroughly enjoyed that. All right, see, we're taking these hush puppies up. Y'all, they're done that quick because this griddle is hot.
Flat hush
Do what, Pop?
Flat hush puppies.
Flat hush puppies, that's right. Yeah, he's been working today, so he's kind of sitting out of the camera's view. But he can come over here and let y'all see him for a second. Next, I want to get my shrimp going because this fish is going to be ready in a minute. And I think I'm going to turn this side down, the heat. I've had this on about a medium heat. So I'm going to put some oil, and I'm going to put a little bit of butter. Just a little bit of butter over here. And I have some shrimp that they're tail on, but they've been peeled and deveined. And I'm going to sprinkle them a little bit right here with this Tony Chachere's. But once I get it, if I'm saying that correct, if I'm not, y'all forgive me. And then we're going to put them on the grill. And I'll sprinkle them some more. All right. And y'all know how quick shrimp cooks. You know, and this shrimp was frozen. My tongue getting tied. And it's thawed out, and there's quite a bit of water come out. So I don't want to get that on my griddle. I'm going to get it spread out, and then we're going to sprinkle it again, and we're going to get it turned because it's going to cook that quick, honestly, y'all. I hope y'all can see how pretty that is on here. And if you could smell it, oh my goodness. Excuse me. I'm getting it seasoned very well. Let's check our fish. Yeah, what to do with my spatula? I'm just going to give this one more flip. Uh-oh. I should probably be using my spatula instead of my tongs, shouldn't I? Yeah, I think it's a little hotter back there. Pop, can you get a close-up picture of this shrimp?
I think I'll get another.
Isn't that looking good?
It is. Move that hand.
Wow.
Please.
Now, y'all know when it turns pink, he's been working most of the day, y'all. He's been working around here doing little odd things that he hasn't been able to get through during the week, working. We're working on getting him retired so y'all can start seeing him more.
Looking good.
Isn't that looking good? Smells good too, doesn't it?
Hey, everybody.
And these are going to be ready to take up here in just a minute. The ones that were on the top and didn't get down there on that heat as quick. I'm getting them down there, and then we're going to be taking them up. We're going to be eating. Okay. Somehow I'm short a pan.
Need a pan?
I need a pan.
Okay. What's the small one that you back to?
Yeah, but I need one for the shrimp too.
Okay.
Or a platter.
Well, I thought you were just full.
No, go give me one of those blue plates I've got sitting out on the counter in there. Oh, y'all, my word, that looks good. That smells good. I'm excited for dinner. I have been wanting to cook this out here, and I've wanted to cook it with you guys. And, but the weather has not permitted me to. Looky here. Looky here. This is a beautiful meal. Can y'all see this? Hold this shrimp up there so they can see it.
Okay.
Look at that. We're going to get it set out, and we're going to take some really good pictures for you guys so y'all can see what it looks like. Okay. And, yeah, the fish.
The fish. That pan's hot.
But we'll make pictures for y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? So I'm so glad. I'm so happy. You'll hold that up for him also?
Sure. Plant hush puppies.
And the potatoes. All right. I'm so happy y'all could join us tonight for dinner. And y'all see how long, what time does the camera say up there? It has not taken long to cook
19,
this meal.
19 minutes.
And I've got a dinner done from start to finish. Well, minus mixing up the hush puppies, which took me about 2 minutes. But I'm so glad y'all joined us out here tonight, this beautiful evening. I might just make my plate and come out here and eat. Y'all, come back and visit with us again. I don't have them out here with us, but don't forget, we've got 2 cookbooks that are available, and we hope you'll check them out. And you can look at them on my website, KarenJonesFoodAndFamily.com. Y'all, please come back and join us again. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification button so you'll know when we put out another video. I'll see you soon, everybody. Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. Hey. Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I'm starting dinner. No, you're fine. It's me. It's not getting it tonight.
Well, I was turning the air conditioner off.